Okay, this is the morning after. I was out last night cleaning the yard and shoveling this walk. Oh crap. Well, there's plenty of snow there to shovel out. I can't get in here with the blower. Guess I'll wallow over and start the tractor up. What is it the Yoopers used to say? Snowshoe over and play some 52? Oh yeah, it's up there. And that's up to my knees. Not like that everywhere because it's blown all night. Yep, there's the cars. It's not that bad out here. I'm glad I went out last night and got rid of some of it. Can't hardly tell where I was. You know, but there'd be twice as much to get rid of. Right here's not so bad. That's blown. Oh crap. Looks like Buster's almost buried. The wonders of living on a homestead. I got my work cut out for a while. I shoveled that porch over there to get the dog out. I've seen worse. You know the best part? It's still snowing. Yeah, we're going with fire tractor up and get that warmed up. I covered it up because the snow was blowing in my shed. Just kind of an open shed here. And I don't have a door on it. Good morning, Dawn. Lovely. And we have a northwest wind, so another day of doing it all backwards. Well, I'm going to shut you off. Get started. Are we ready for this? Somewhere out there, there's a nice white driveway. Let's hope we can find it. Little John could do it. There. Everything is put away. Driveway is plowed. Vehicles are cleaned off. The porch is somewhat shoveled. And it's 2 hours later. Part of the fun of living on the old homestead. Traffic's moving right along now, you can see better. But it's snowing like hell right now. I don't know, we're supposed to get another 3-4 inches of gas. But anyway, that's enough for me. I'm sick of it.